jungle.
Let's go.
Alright,
I hope
so
I
we're gonna
don't
try
get
to put
jungle.
all fill on
Hope I
this
don't
one.
get jungle. Hope I don't get jungle.
No,
I'm ready for a mess.
Someone trade me if I get jungle.
Nope.
Please? I don't know how to
You
jump.
gotta learn. You gotta learn every roll.
Emily.
But I don't. Oh god. But, oh god.
Oh.
Thank God. Thank God. A top.
Why?
Oh, do I have any of my jungles?
Are you
prepared?
serious? Come on!
Alright, Vincent, me and you.
Jungle.
I'm top.
I'm not allowed to
What do
play Sheriff
I
in the Bowie standard
top
again.
with?
This is
I
not.
believe.
You can play anything you want. I'm with you, bot lane. You can play Seraphine if you want.
Wait, you were
believe
going
that's
in,
my-
so let's do
my
it in.
setup. Who should I ban?
I
Oh
straight
my
to
god.
Morgana's too is a bad one.
Fuck fiddlesticks.
Not sure. We'll ban that. I don't know what to ban. Malphite top's fine, right?
Yep.
I haven't
You
played.
do
I
whatever
haven't played
you
top
want.
in a long time.
Well, you're
Or do I play
learning now.
Shyvana?
Oh no!
wait.
They banned my Yasuo. Unfortunate.
What do I? Wait. Okay, for if I go Malphite, it's resolve, and then it's what? What are the?
So, you're going Malphite, Resolve, and I have no idea. I do have a question for Cody. I have a question
Resolve
for
and
Cody.
sorcery, Emily.
Resolve and
it's
sorcery.
doing-
What's your question?
what is okay? After you clear your jungle as Kane, what do you usually do? Like, because it's been a while since I've Kane jungled.
I'd
Do
clear
you-
like 4 camps, go for your Scuttle Crab, and then if a lane looks gankable, I'd gank. If it doesn't look gankable, I'd finish off your clear, and then I'd either repeat your clear or gank.
Gotcha. I am gonna probably do
Wait, you
none
have
of
to-
that.
It's teleport for top, right?
Yes. If you want, so that way you can get back to top quickly.
And Bowie, you said it was sorcery for Malphite.
Who's
Yeah,
gonna be my
more or less,
opposing
why?
jungler?
Okay, I hit sorcery. I don't know what I'm doing.
Who the
Oh
fuck's the
fuck!
jungler?
Emily's fucked. That's a Darian.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Emmy, I would recommend you just stay by your minions. And they have
Yes, I'll say.
Which Tristana skin do we want? Do we want Riot Girl? Do we
Heal
want
first.
Gorilla?
Get
Do we
heal.
want Buccaneer?
heal.
Gorilla.
Get heal. Thank you.
Okay, now which skin do we want? Buccaneer,
Wait, who are you
Gorilla?
yelling to get heal?
Me. Do not get healed.
No, Emily, take that one.
I don't fucking know what I'm building, guys. It's fine. I'm gonna die. It'll be
Do
fine.
I even have any item lists for Kane set up? Oh no.
You shouldn't need it because the new League client should recommend all the items you need. But in all honesty, for Kane, you really want into this team Gore Drinker.
Gore Drinker? Okay. Oh fuck, I am fucked. Oh no.
You might want to go more burst into Gore Drinker, but Gore Drinker will help against Asterius, who will probably get fed.
Just let me
Because
die.
he's
I don't know
Darius.
Let
I
me
just looked
die.
at the level of their jungler.
I don't know how I feel about Barrows and
He's,
Zillion.
he's 10 times higher level than me.
More than 10 times, if that makes you feel
I'm
better.
like,
No, it doesn't.
Sultan,
But
have
their
you seen
Zillion's level
Darius?
28.
What about the Darius, Emily? Oh,
Darius 110 to my 28.
rip.
But their Zillion is also 28, so we match up there at least.
Oh, no.
I don't know.
Of course, the one time we all go Phil, shit like this happens.
Oh, it's
Yep.
Lucian
I'm
mid.
Yeah.
gonna
Lucian
die. This will be
mid.
fine. This will be
Solution mid,
fine.
huh?
Peggy. Oh no,
Not
please don't
Vi
meet me
mid.
here.
What the frick am I thinking?
Oh.
I'm on my bed trying to go sleep now. Okay.
Rip. I'm just gonna lay down in my coffin now.
Are you guys in game? It says 100% on my screen, but I'm not. Okay, there we go.
Oh, now I am.
Wait. What do I
Get
build
that
first?
Oh, recommended.
Against the Darius. Get your Doran shield.
Ember or Hail?
I need to go to a washer, boys.
For you, Ember.
Thank
Wait,
you.
also Q, W, or E? What do I level?
You first.
Shit, I
Who
forgot
just
that
flashed?
this game. I forgot this. I
Oh,
forgot this game doesn't use WASD. I forgot this game doesn't use WASD. I immediately hit my fucking flash. Oh
That does
my
not-
fucking god.
God.
I was playing Pillars of Eternity this morning, and so my immediate go-to was to use Waz to move the
Dalton, get a
camera.
health pot. Get your
Oh
refillable
fuck!
pot. Oh.
I am. Oh fuck! My piece of.
Can we? So FFF15?
Alright, I got your back.
Emily,
My Discord froze for a
Emily,
second.
I don't think you realize I don't fucking surrender.
No, I know.
FF
What
4.
happened? What happened? What did I miss?
Dalton flashed and forgot his pot, so he had to go back.
I did both.
Oops.
How do I do
It's okay, you're
both?
gonna do great. You're gonna do great, Dalton. I'm gonna start your jungle
Okay.
camp for you if you're not here on time.
I'm here.
Vincent hasn't even left the pool yet.
Oh fucking goddamn it, guys!
Okay, wait. So it's Q, and then what do I level next?
Fine.
E or W, and then whatever you feel like is most needed, I guess.
Okay. Cool. It's
You
been
got it.
so.
I wouldn't recommend maxing Q first though, because it eats
Yeah.
a lot of mana, unless you're going full AP Malphite, which you're not, by the way. That's a bad
I
option.
needed 50 boot codes. I need the QP.
Oh god, I got the fucking ass lane. This is
The
not
ass
gonna be
lane?
fun. This is not gonna be fun for me. Pocket picks are my worst enemies, and this guy banned Yasuo.
Everyone's worst nightmare.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Nah. Yeah, I
Okay,
died.
well I didn't. Okay, well I didn't.
That was fast.
I recommend you stay on the tower.
I don't have Cody.
Yes.
Fuck. This is bad.
Remember, this is not.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just bot lane.
I'm just realizing something. I don't have Taste of Blood. I don't have Taste of Blood. I have the other shit. No.
It happens. It happens.
I ain't fucking surrendering. I'm still going. Oh, I don't even have parkour.
Are you gonna be able to get that cannon, Vincent?
Emily, keep autoing him. If he does Q, you need to walk up. Yes, yes. Get your abilities up, Emily.
Yeah. Ah, fuck.
Ah.
Sorry. I misclicked. Ah!
Get away from me, minion.
Where the fuck is my scuttle? Where the fuck is my scuttle?
Probably
There he
already.
is.
Something tells me we're not gonna have a good time here.
Why not?
That Vi is going to touch Dalton in the butt.
Probably.
Oh, probably.
I mean, the Starius is already touching me in the butt. You know?
I can't. I hate this. You just
Oh my
have
god,
to-
why?
So much poke.
Oh,
But it's
that's
okay.
a Vi.
Barrison's very
coming
strong.
coming
He
at you,
falls off
Talon.
pretty quick.
Oh, okay. That's
No!
unthinkable.
Why? Why? That
On my
bastard
way.
child!
You better heal up before we go in.
I thought that was you, Dalton.
No, I told you Vi was on their way.
I forget this. I forget that you aren't Cody. This is so awkward. Cody, help me. Oh, you got your own
Oh
problem
yeah,
down there.
Cody's playing ADC this time.
Too much smoke.
Want me to come help gank Lucian with you there?
Probably.
I don't know. I have
Can you get that cannon?
Oh, you have electrocute.
Nice.
It hurts my dick. God, I can only just imagine like what you guys are going to see, because like you guys can't see it now, but when I upload this, you're gonna see like the weirdest faces I make.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
I am the only kill. All right, Cody.
Ah, fuck. Eh.
I think
honey, I'm
I think it
sorry.
might be a good idea for you to help Emily and not me.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Yeah, the Starius is gonna be very fed, so yeah.
He's already 3-0. What do you mean very fed? He's already fed.
This is a death.
Yeah, exactly.
If I go
You
in
know,
with you
you know,
codes.
you
Oh
know,
fuck!
like-
He has the tear of the goddess. He's already prepping our.
I have heal up still.
Oh god, no, Cody, no. Oh no. Oh, bye.
Hi, Vi.
This guy's so annoying.
Pretty sure Emily dies to blood this time. Yeah.
Emily,
Probably.
hold your ground there. I'm on my way to help you.
I
would
don't
not
think I
recommend it
can.
right now.
Just keep him near the tower, if it's
Oh,
possible.
frick, I messed up. I got a
I can
flashback.
probably do.
Don't walk towards me.
What's trying to just get on
Okay.
Dalton, I'm
I will
probably
back.
gonna
I will
die.
come back.
Oh, honey, I'm literally so close. So
It's
no.
Darius. You're not able to escape him. He has a pole.
Dalton, I got hooked.
He has a
I
pole.
know, but yeah, true.
The life of a jungler. You need to be ready for everything.
I literally was on my way.
Yeah. So
Oh.
was I.
Oh, that
Get in,
motherfucker.
get in.
Oh, that's
It's
easy
one
enough.
shot. But you better not miss. Because if he gets the Q off, he heals, then you could get turned.
Nice.
Thank you for helping me get that.
Anyway, so
I mean, you
much
kind of
poke.
got that
Alright,
with or
Vincent,
without
we
me.
have to carry with Bowie.
So much poke.
Alright, Vincent, anytime you want to go in. They haven't hit plus 6 yet, so that's probably the best time.
So much poke. It's ridiculous. You better get you 5 first.
Ah! Yes, I'm making these noises. No, you can't stop me. Help me, I'm getting hunted.
Okay,
No! I didn't mean... No!
you want me to just wait right here, Chloe?
I found our Varus.
You found the Varus.
Darius is back,
Another
Tom.
one.
Come get the Ken.
Gary!
I didn't mean to auto-attack the fucking
Oh.
thing. God damn it.
Damn it, I don't like this. He's already level 7.
Don't
Oh,
worry.
no.
You just need your ult, and if he tries to hit you under tower, ult him under tower and do as much as you can. And Dalton needs
Yes,
to
go
get,
towards your Varus with my
I'm
bomb
on my
on
way
you.
up. I'm on the way
Dalton
up
needs to
to you,
gank
Emily.
you more than gank me because
Yeah, I agree.
I can come back from a bad matchup. Emily can't.
I'm
Yeah, I
still
know, I know.
learning. I haven't played
Emily,
top
I'm
before.
on my way to help you right now.
He's going down.
He is going down.
Oh, I'm finally 6. Okay, yay. That helps at least.
Uh-huh.
He might have gotten a decent matchup against me there.
Damn it.
Yeah, he definitely knew it was coming.
Alright, we got a pretty good trade there, actually.
Oh, I
Even though
did?
they hit 6 before. No, we did.
Oh, good. I was like, you better not be talking about me.
Ah, it keeps going. down.
Emily, he's coming towards me. He's coming towards me because I'm getting scuttle.
Okay.
Oh, I should have stunned.
Let's get some tower
Uh,
plating.
I'm coming down.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, he's gonna kill me. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, did you die already? Fuck.
Yep.
Ah! I tried to
He was
help
too
you
fed
down.
for me to kill him.
Ew! He ulted Emily. Never mind.
Yeah, he ulted me. Should I build?
Armor. Anything that has armor, it'd be a good idea.
Sunfire?
I do have
Yes.
board.
Actually.
Cool. Okay, cool. We'll start that.
Alright, another 800 gold I'll probably have to back. Maybe I should back now.
There's a buy.
Oh, I don't know where the Darius went,
Yeah, it's
so,
back together.
Oh god, Darius is 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I keep feeding him.
Thanks for the blue buff, you bitch.
I found him. Found Darius
Ta-da.
again. He always just comes in to, like, kill my butt, you know? He's
Just your
You wanna
body.
go on-
Doesn't wanna kill anything
You want to go
else.
on with him?
I have half health and he doesn't have ult. What do you think?
I hear we're going in on him.
Wait, what? Are you gonna... Wait, are you just...
Why?
No, no, no!
Why?
Alright,
My tower's getting wrecked, so it's not gonna lie.
that's okay.
Tax. Damn it, I was gonna queue over it.
I helped my mid laner, that's all that matters. My jungler instincts took over.
Remember the Shen instincts?
You know what? I'm gonna try.
Just keep him off our tower for a little bit.
I'm gonna use Prowler's Call for today. We'll see how that goes. I really am.
I should have gotten boots.
I should have also gotten boots, but I didn't. Okay.
I don't understand the ahead right now between me and my Varus. He's got a kill and a little more farm
I'm
than
gonna
me.
die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
I'm on my way, Emily. I'm literally around the corner.
Just
Alright,
run
Vincent.
embarrassed.
Whenever we get a chance, we go in.
Ah, fuck. My E didn't last long enough. Nope. I cannot help you if there's... Yeah, no.
I already died, it's fine.
Yeah,
I told you,
know,
we go
I'm
in as soon
sorry.
as we get a chance.
Darius is at 9, by the way.
Yeah.
He hooked me.
Aww. That's okay, that's okay. I thought he was gonna respawn anyway. You're perfectly fine on that one.
It's fine, just, like, run.
I thought we were gonna have to kill him twice.
Oh
Oh my
because
god,
of
he's
his
3
ult.
levels above you, Talon.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know!
He's also
But
3
Emily
levels
needs
above
to-
me.
Emily needs to get back here!
Coming! Dalton, go down, go down.
Oh, I'm coming.
Let's get first tower, Vincent.
Yeah,
Hi.
Oh, it's not gonna work. So, you know what?
Guys, stop the day! Why did you guys focus the Darius?
I was focusing the Darius! I was
No,
literally
why are you
focusing
guys
the
with
Darius!
I'm being chased down!
Yeah, Bowie got chased by the other
My ult's
the
not
Darius.
Oh,
Ah, fun. Stuff good against the Darius. Okay, I'm building against that Darius.
Oh,
I got
no.
Gordon.
What?
What? What's wrong?
He ulted. Nothing.
Is he fighting
This
Baron
Baron's
solo?
ulted. That's Rift Herald, and Rift Herald's pretty easy to fight solo.
Oh, you're right. So I'm guessing I want to go Darkin for this matchup.
I mean, what do you
Uh,
do, man? He's
Actually,
yes.
yeah, I guess this Darius, yeah, for sure, yeah.
Okay.
I was looking at the rest of their team, like, yeah, Darkin is really some of the right
We're not gonna get
choice. And I looked at the Darius is 7-2.
Yes,
Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry for feeding the Darius.
I don't know, the tower takes pretty slow.
I would like you to, if you could help us, your dogs.
I will be right over.
Oh, come on.
I'm on my way.
Take that. No, hit the thing.
Hurry.
Vincent.
Kill the minions! Kill the
Wait,
minions!
what the fuck? Who the fuck is this dude? Oh,
We still got time, Vincent. We still got time. I saved the tower.
I mean, oh,
Emily,
fuck.
slow him down.
Oh fuck. Sorry, Emily, I'm on the other side of the map. Oh,
Oh,
no.
hello.
It's fine. It's just a Vi and a Darius. It's
All right, Emily, I have a question.
It's just both.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you bait that?
He
thought we got
probably.
I did get that, and then there was a, we have to get first tower, though. That's the goal.
That's the goal.
Damn it! I
What
didn't.
about that? Oh, frick.
2.
Sorry.
I didn't mean to walk with you that close. Oh,
Alright, the last tower we're playing. We're so close. We're neck and neck for first tower.
I'm trying to hit her. Oh shit.
Oh
I
no.
was
Oh
moving.
yeah.
Emily,
No.
hit him.
I.
Hit him.
Stay back.
Yeah, that's not happening. That's not happening.
Emily, run away.
I'm running.
I think I'm gonna get first tower.
Please.
I'm glad someone's having a good run.
Yeah.
We got it! Look at my bot lane tower, look at our
Yay.
defense! I barely saved our tower.
I wanted to get them out because it's
God.
almost a one shot.
Me and Vincent down here, we got this.
yeah.
It's the Varus.
Yeah,
Oh,
Cody, Vincent, you
oh.
guys carry.
Just the poke we hit, the freaking Varus has, and I can't go this way.
Alright, we wait. We
I
wait.
don't know
We're
where
gonna
this
try to push
Darius
up.
went.
Should one be there. That was bad. We have ward there.
God.
Tell me you're going in.
Oh, the Darius is back. Oh, I don't like this.
He's dead.
Oh, who's dead?
Guys, Vi's coming down.
On my way.
You stay up there.
Oh, you're right. There's a Darius right there.
Oh,
Darius? Okay. I'm currently
Come on.
Alola,
having a
Gosai,
great
Imasu.
time for my fucking wall walk. Oh my god.
oh, get him! Get him!
Emily, pull him in. I'm going in.
Wait, what? What do you mean pull him in? I'm gonna.
You got it.
I'm gonna-
Mine. I want my blue buff back. Bitch.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I
don't take
died.
me to took
Yeah,
it,
y'all
but
took me.
like my freaking auto attack is freaking activating and I
God damn.
can't stop it.
Ah, fuck! I was so close.
God damn it. This game is gonna be a stomp for this Darius.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sorry.
Oh, goddamn. Oh.
I've got my
So
Kraken
bad
Slayer,
for
which should be
beating
fine.
this hard.
Actually, yeah, that's a great idea. Yo, wait, hold on, Emily. If you can, try to get yourself a Morellonomicon or something that builds into it, like the Infinity, not the Infinity Gift. What the fuck, Bowie?
Oh, that's
Executioner's Calling, is that what you're
Rift
looking for?
Herald.
No,
Mid.
no. Oblivion Orb. Yes, that one.
Oh yeah, for her, yeah.
Rift Herald mid. I'm gonna.
Okay, well,
Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Oh my god.
Actually,
Oh,
You did perfect there, Vincent.
Oh!
You did perfect.
Ah, you bastard! I hate
oh,
you!
oh dear.
He has my shutdown gold now. Good luck, guys.
Oh,
no codes.
I'm so sorry.
He has more range than me with his abilities.
Vincent, run!
Did you get the kill on that Vi? You bitch!
No, my W just activated and just fucking got you.
Oh god, run!
It's okay.
Don't you feed my later. I can handle Emily and Dalton feeding my later, but not you guys.
I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to. It's just my W keeps stealing your kills, I guess.
Alright, how do we do this? Do we fight this shit?
Let's go. Let's do
Wait
this.
for me, but then yeah. Yeah, let's go in.
I don't wanna
4, 3,
feed
2,
myself.
Go ahead.
just fucking do it. Yeah, just fucking do it.
Well, turn on
Oh.
that guy.
Oh!
I was so useless. Why do I exist?
Because I exist. Get the dragon,
Wait.
guys!
Um,
We
Wait, are
can
you my
still
brother?
we can still come back from this.
Me and Vincent have combined 6 kills bot lane.
I have
We're
8,
6
I have 8 of those kills too.
Darius is level 13.
Oh god.
oh, Vi is fighting
Yeah,
the dragon.
I know. That's why I said go to dragon.
Let's do this.
Hey, bitch, you ain't running from me.
This is mine. This is mine. Don't you touch it.
I'm not touching it.
Oh, booey. Fine. I'm not helping you with dragon then.
Okay. Wait, there's a fucking control ward here. Kill it.
No.
All right, now the question is, how do we stop this Darius?
Oh, why
This
did
is
my
down.
Ember Knife disappear? I'm
Oh,
so
after
confused.
5.
Because you used it 5 times.
Yeah, after 5 smite, you get.
You get all the. Yeah, you keep all the same
Ooh.
buffs from it. Oh!
Watch out.
Yeah, just get out.
All right, come on, Dalton. We need to go kill this bitch.
Which one are we killing? Oh, Darius? Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay,
Emily's
okay,
up.
let's go.
Emily, we all have to collapse on this part. Ah! He's
Okay,
dead!
okay.
He found me! He found me!
Meanwhile, me and Vincent is collapsed on by a 3-man.
Oh my god! Oh! That
We
hurts!
did it!
Yeah!
The shutdown gold!
Ah! Never mind! No! Leave me alone!
You could just R on that. I mean,
Well then. That was terrifying.
That was awesome.
Shut up!
everything is.
I
He
just
saw
wanna
me
get kills.
coming.
Yeah, no, I think he has like wards everywhere.
No, he doesn't.
problem.
He's only using the
Oh,
stealth.
they're all mid. There's like 3 guys mid.
So what you're saying is attack them.
Yes.
Cody?
Lure them in and attack them.
Should I come down?
Vincent, go.
Okay, I'll come down. I'll come down.
Dang it, Billy!
I have collector. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I have
Bully!
protocol. That time I can't. I'm trying to.
Darius! It's Darius! Motherfucking Darius!
Ugh! Get him!
Watch out.
Damn it, collector!
Billy!
Okay, that one you can't even blame me. Collector got him that time.
I'm done. I'm just taking this blue buff.
Oh, that Vi's touching my booty!
That's a buy. That's a buy.
I'm trying to get to the party.
Meanwhile,
That was real.
Oh,
Taking your skull
Cody.
crab too.
Cody!
I'm
All my kills get taken, so I take everything else.
I mean, it makes sense.
Alright, I should probably back and get some new gear.
My support and I have the same KDA right now.
Gotta go to top.
I don't like that. I don't
That's
like that.
awesome.
Okay.
Welcome to laning with Vincent. He's a great support, but you will never get kills.
Oh yeah, I know. I play.
Something stupid.
His Senna steals all of my Lucian kills.
Their blood will decorate the ground. Rah, darken noises. That's my impression.
Right, now the question is, can I kill 2 of them here?
Oh fuck, there he's
Oh,
back.
alright, Emily, I'm on my way up to you.
All right, I'm coming up too. You're gonna need a Noxian to kill another Noxian.
I'm just gonna like, yeah, we're gonna swing around this.
Vincent, stun him. Stun him, Vincent.
Oh,
I don't know.
you guys
Emily,
are
you
fucking
have- Emily, you have
either
your ult?
kill or die before
Yeah,
you
I got
can
my
get up
ult.
there.
Just run, just run, just run.
I'm
Alright.
just running.
He's right in the corner, guys. Come on.
I know.
Let's go!
Run, just
Ah! Hello. Okay, well he's not riding. Okay, well he's
Wait,
running
I
now.
can't.
He knows to be afraid.
Yeah, I have ignite up.
Okay,
Oh.
well.
You know what? I'll initiate it. If you guys won't, I will.
I'm struggling on getting around the wall.
Oh, just run, go.
Don't know if I can-
I sacrifice.
Oh my god! For the win!
Damn it! This Lucian showed up and scared me. No.
Emily, yeah, don't engage.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
we're gonna engage either from the wall here or yeah.
Hey, found a zillion.
Oh, and got ganked. Oh.
Yeah, we're dead. That's 4.
That was 4 people.
Yeah, the chance to escape was good too.
Okay,
We
wait,
got
what
greedy.
was it? Was Oblivion Orb, and what was the other thing that you wanted me to
Do you
build
want to
into
build
it?
Oblivion Orb, but you have to build it into Moranonomicon because it'll give him grievous wounds. Yo, they're trying to take Baron? Fight that!
Alright, Vincent, you're in my engage.
No, Vincent! Vincent,
There
no,
are
they are
there
under...
are 5 of them there.
Oh, stop them! Get the Baron!
Oh yeah, steal the Baron. Yeah.
You steal the Baron! You have Smite!
Dude, I'm dead.
Oh yeah, you're dead.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I keep forgetting. Hello, it's me!
Kill them all.
No,
Oh,
man.
boy.
Come
I'm
here.
gonna go for red buff. I'm going for red buff.
A dumb question. How do you spell that item?
Ah!
Which
Oh
item?
no!
Or
Oh,
on thing?
Damn. Don't worry. Click on
good
on
question.
Oblivion Orb, and you'll be able to buy it.
oh, good thing we wiped the buff. Except for.
I wish I didn't
Oh,
have
got it,
7
got it,
assists
got it.
on my ADC.
Okay.
Oh, there's the Darius. I could go and attack him.
But
Let's do it. Give me a second to respawn, and
Okay,
then we
wait,
can
let me
do it. Okay.
teleport to you.
Okay, I'll go on all at that.
hey, I wiped out 3 out of the 5 members. You gotta give me that much.
Come on, go in.
Oh,
no,
he's
go
level
in.
What?
Go in? Sure
Dude,
thing.
Emily was fighting him.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
I
didn't
was
see
fighting
Emily
him.
there. I
I
didn't
was
see Emily there.
I told
Thank you for giving me the kill. I don't think you gave me the kill, but thank you, game, for letting me have a kill.
Interesting. So that's how that works.
If
Okay.
anything, I don't have to.
Oh, Rift Herald was spawned here. Hey guys, you guys
Oh.
want to kill that Rift Herald? I don't want it.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah, kill it, please. It's gonna take. Ooh, hello.
Keeping the right.
Wait, what direction am I going in?
Just run, goats.
Alright, on my way to Rift Herald.
I got my kill.
Goats.
Watch out.
I don't think I'm gonna get there in time though.
Oh, no, you can't.
I did most of the Zillion's health, that's all that matters.
Yeah,
And he
I
revived himself.
I died.
Don't worry, you still have me.
And he's speedy with
3,
it.
2, 1.
And he's gonna live.
Collector, bitches.
Oh,
We get dragon now, Dalton. Dalton, dragon.
oh, fuck. Okay, I'm on my way. Yep, I'm abandoning that.
Please. God, this Darius is gonna come over here and touch.
He is, yeah.
Please
no, he
tell me you have
definitely
smite.
is.
Please tell me you
I
have
do.
smite.
Not gonna get it.
Run!
Oh, I did.
E!
No, I don't want this.
You guys,
Oh, I can't
Yeah, no, I'm
say
dead.
Dalton now, jeez.
Oh,
I
I-
have no damage.
Yeah, that's fair.
I have no
I can
damage
claim
to-
solace that I'm no longer tied with Vincent for second most kills on the team. There's still a significant gap, and I still have too many assists for an ADC. But that's okay. I don't mind.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
After the
Ooh.
Darius.
I'm coming.
Emily's ult can actually turn a fight around. Come
I
on,
do
let's
have
My
my ult
attack
up.
damage should be able to turn an attacker
Oh,
a fight
no.
around.
Alright, Emily,
Yeah.
if they're all there, you point towards them
They're
and use
engaged.
your... Oh, guys, the Darius is right here!
Darius is right there, yeah.
He's dead.
Emily, your ult! Oh, yes! Oh, Emily! Oh, yes!
ooh.
Ah!
Oh,
I
why?
watched that. That
No,
was epic.
no, come here! Come here, you cunt! Oh, Lola!
I really
Nice.
do.
I flashed for that kill. I'm done with my kills being stolen.
In my defense, I was trying to slow her.
Hello.
I didn't
I
actually
also
think that
got the
Darius
right.
was there. He kind of just spooked me.
I know, but we actually got the kill, so it's fine.
Alright, now where's that
He's
buy?
take his
Please,
argument.
let's just
She's
take
over here. She ran from me.
Oh, in that case, let's
Let's
just
push.
take this. Who cares?
Yeah.
Let's just go with this.
Yeah, there's four of them are down. Let's keep going.
Yeah, 4 of them are fucking dead.
I'll just push
I'm
top.
waiting for you, Emily. Keep pushing.
Yeah, we'll just push
Okay.
top.
Ah.
Alright, keep going. Never mind. Wait, hold on.
Bye-bye.
Take this.
We can get it.
Don't even
I know.
ignore her. Ignore her. Just keep taking
Yep.
it. Just ignore her. Take it. We get run. Run until the cows come home. Oh, never mind. They want me.
Yeah, fuck that. I'm good.
I'm getting a kill out of this.
Yeah,
One way or
go,
another.
go.
All right, now I'm going back in. No, never mind. Wait, they fought for me.
They just want
Oh.
your ass,
Yeah.
man.
Fuck that.
I
Right,
didn't. This here had my parkour thing up, so that didn't work.
Oh, Bowie.
I'm
Or
dead.
Delta. You're still on a number. Ah!
I saved your life.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Oh,
You
I'm
are
fine.
welcome. Yeah, no, they're like all 5 up there.
Emmy, your ult could go through walls.
I don't have an ult right now. My ult's on down.
I'm
well, I
just
saved
gonna-
Emily's life for a split second,
Yeah,
and then
you
it was
did.
lost again.
I know, I tried to save Louis'
help.
life. It was lost
failed at
again.
helping.
Hey, it's not my fault. My wall wasn't up for me to parkour. Shut up.
No, it wasn't. It
One
was just
person's
Oh,
back.
no.
your fault.
Oh, I need
Okay,
to kill
wait.
that bitch.
It was not your fault. I can understand it. It was just.
Oh, okay,
It was just
Lucian. Prepare to meet your maker. Okay, that doesn't necessarily need to be there. All right, you know what? Hold on. Where the fuck is he?
Thank
Good question.
All right. Okay, we need to fucking fight this Darius and Varus.
Yep.
Like,
Yep.
one of them is fed.
Wait till I get there. I want kills.
No.
My collector doesn't do that.
Again, ow.
I'm coming.
Oh, I missed.
I'm still running there.
I don't think we can take Baron off of that, but I think we could try something. Yeah.
I think we take Baron.
You know what? Let's take Baron. Fuck it. Let's go. Come on,
Fuck
guys.
it. Yeah, let's take Baron.
At this point, we want something to happen. Come here and fight us. I'm going to regret that as soon as the Darius shows up. I hope you realize this.
Oh yeah, 110%.
All right, let's go.
Oh, control words.
Oh, Darius is coming down. Yo, we turned that. We turned that. Guys.
Oh.
No, keep
No,
running
no, no,
Baron.
no, keep
We
Baron,
can take it
Baron,
fast.
keep Baron, Baron, Baron. Make sure you smite it, Dalton.
That's the plan.
Dalton! Turn on the Darius.
I got stunned.
Doritos Lotus stuff. Oh,
Okay, we don't do that. We go back and save that tower.
Yep.
doing it right now.
Tower time.
Ah, sucks.
Oh, rip.
Okay, now the question is here: what is the best idea?
Dragon.
Dragon?
Yeah, go to
Okay.
dragon. Go to dragon.
Light
Gotcha.
is down for a couple seconds.
All right, guys, I'm full build now.
Yeah, it sounds
What should I
accurate.
build after the Ramacon thing?
Just
Oh,
just
fuck, I'm
anything
not gonna-
armor. Just anything armor at this
I'm
point.
not gonna get in there in time. They're gonna get dragon.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
How did you steal
thank
that
God.
from me? At least I got the shutdown. At least I
Oh.
got the shutdown.
Is it me? I'm
No,
not trying to
Vincent,
kill.
why? How do you manage to keep killing shit?
Oh,
And
frick.
you missed what I need you to hit.
Yeah. Welcome me, my lifestyle.
Emily,
Randomness.
actually,
Yes.
guys, are you guys still going? Okay, I guess you are. Guys, run. Emily,
Emily.
go back
Yeah.
in there and help them.
I'm coming.
I'm taking.
Yeah, no, they need to.
He's still dead.
Well,
Better
this
get
tower's a rip.
Keep going. 4 of them are
I can
down.
kill all of them. I just have to get near them.
I can also kill all of them. Just keep Darius away from me.
I can
Yeah,
even
forward
kill
we're down.
Darius
Can
with
we
my
take-
Kraken
Do you think we
Slayer.
can take down a tower?
Yes.
I mean, no,
No,
I think we're
They're all
already-
spawning.
well, too bad.
Oh,
I'm still
yeah.
playing.
fuck.
Come on, guys.
I can't kill 3v1.
Nope, nope, nope. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running.
I should take that tower. Or you can take that
Oh.
too and just die for it. You have the
God, really?
badass.
Booey.
At least we have super minions.
Later, nerds! Later, nerds!
Booey. Booey. Are you okay? You live?
He's fine.
Fuck that Darius.
I look at our scoreboard and I look at Bowie and me.
Yeah, I know. I know.
I mean, yeah.
And I look at my support with
I'm
5
sitting here with as many deaths as I have assists and kills
Alright,
combined.
I'm going in on that
I-
Darius. Let's go, guys.
We're waiting for the whole team.
No, I'm going in without you guys. Come on.
Do we have
Vincent,
two?
come on.
Inhibitors down? Nice.
Oh no! Wait.
Yes. Emily, go.
Okay.
You
I'll
guys
sit.
might be dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
That's
I'm
what I
dead.
wanted, but I'm dead.
Oh.
I can't.
Alright, I guess it's just me defending now. I guess I got Talon here too.
Hi,
Don't
I
worry.
help. I'm a
So,
helper.
the controversy-
Oh my fucking god! What
So
the fuck is
Zonias.
this?
I think I'll build a Zonias.
No, don't build Zonias. Don't build Zonias. Build armor. Anything armor
What
that's
the
not
legitimate
Zonias.
fuck is this?
Oh god,
Thornmail?
Emily. Oh god, don't.
Thornmail?
What the legitimate
Yes,
fuck?
Thornmail.
Thornmail.
Get away from me!
Ow.
I'm dead.
That fucking Darius is scaring me, guys!
Really? I didn't notice.
So,
Oh, it's a base race.
Oh yeah.
yeah, this is a base race.
I don't think it's smart for us to do that.
I should probably get some
Oh,
help.
they're trying. Oh, they're trying.
They're
Yo,
really
it's,
pushing.
Yo, it's,
Yeah.
okay.
Coach just yeah.
I don't have my ult, so I'm just
Up,
letting you guys know.
kill.
No. Okay.
I have ult in 15 seconds.
He doesn't have ult.
Nice.
Get him.
I'm getting all these kills.
You're welcome.
I'm tired of this game. I'm tired of having all of them taken.
Oh, hey, there's a Darius over there. You should go get him.
Remind me, do
I will happily 1v1
Oh,
him.
Okay, I can smite people. Okay.
Yes, you can.
Oh, are we fighting the Darius? Leona, are we fighting the Darius?
Yeah, you guys can totally fight the. Oh god.
Oh. Well, whether or not we want to, it looks like it's happening.
Emily, I'd run away if I were you.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna probably die.
My
I've
kills.
already used my
All of
flash.
them
so
are
I'm stuck.
mine.
I understand.
Yeah, I
guys.
Dude. Oh,
Guys,
are we-
collapse
oh,
on
which
mid.
way are
Collapse
we?
on mid.
Oh,
Let's go. I'm right
Come on,
here.
guys.
All of them are my kills.
Gotcha.
Collapse on mid. Let's do this.
All of them are mine. All of them.
Dude.
I'm done with this.
How?
You go. Oh, I'm sorry, cat. I know I'm being loud. I'm sorry.
Don't do this. Don't do this, Coach. I'm taking down that power aggro from you, but it's not working.
I'm taking inhibitor. I don't know what you guys are doing. What the fuck?
All of these kills are
Guys,
mine.
come on. Just push. Just push.
I
Yeah.
wanna end
Yeah.
it too, man, but Cody wants the kills, man.
Fuck that.
Woohoo!
Talon is such a cool
Here's your another kill for you,
fucking
Coach.
character.
Mine. All of the
Oh,
kills are
Darius!
mine.
No, just end it. Just end it.
I,
Let's end this.
Nope, I'm just going.
No! I died. I got so many kills there at the end.
That Darius is so fed. Oh my god.
Doesn't stop me and Cody from carrying.
I would have carried a lot more if my kills hadn't been taken all game.